Finimali upkum. But finimali upkum. Paraparaparandino. Para zoom. Alright, chat. We. Silapa. Kayeke. Silapa Luuzey. Tinja, Luuzey Beats. Oh, he's a producer, my nigga. I fuck with producers. I feel like producers are one of the underrated people who are actually making everything solid, chat. Producers are actually... That's why ezinye producers ufika says ngena ngikwazi ngomeni, because you guys get good songs and mess them up. You get good beats. I-producer ikunike yonke into, ikunike the good beat, iyenze sure ba ikunika yonke process on how to do the song. Ni buys still. So I manje develop kona text ongena ngokwami. Yo alime garandi ngicabukisa. Manje ongena ngokwami. Luuzey Beats, Rap J, Rockstar Lee, Luuzey verse. That's creative. Luuzey verse.
I do everything, but I always miss my vibes. Remember to my dreams, I forgot about my apps. Getting higher gangsta, bitch, climb the shit on top. But you turn it down, cause let's figure see a Swisser. Chasing on the back, I be sniffing like a cop dog. They know that guys we doing shit, we on top dog. White bitch like Bonnet, orange just like OV. Gangsta no deal, why this bitch is tryna own me. Tryna get the cash and cover bento. I won't rest till I see my mama on that Lambo. Coming with the beef, I'm tryna fill the plate with lamb. High killing bitch, yeah, we making space jams. Cold vest is tryna bite, leave your brain dead. Smoking from the trenches, I'm the main man. Hot life, nice, but I'm taking it with ease. Sad life, stuck in the hood, tryna get a deal. I'm cold sometimes, but now I'm fire, I'm giving them cheese. One stop till I get me a meal. You get me? So many dreams that I'm tryna fulfill. No caps, facts only, yeah, we're working billions. I'm the real thing, go in so yeah. Silapa natin tulini, sifana no bed. So many bars, every time I'm spinning, things is jelly. This rap is rats, when they see me, but careful is tank. This rap thing, deep in my veins, the sang and the tank. We ain't the same, huh? When I'm too mentally trans, I just wanna see myself on the wall, probably flex. I just pray to God, I'll take up and raise any blanks.
Sunrise, wake up, it's time to wake. 7 in special figure. Wake up big, now I'm running late. Schedule sickness in like the cake. Take off on now, figure jiggy way.
My selector, Luuzey Beats. Une potential put. Mamele sound yakho meta. Mamele sound yakho une potential put.
Think the Lord go was fugile. Sukuzonzi amile. Send a prayer to my mama, better days now are coming. Put my trust in you when days are dark. Daddy hands think I gotta wake. The money got me moving. The canyo belanga. Bachona batala. Dali na manyala. Fuganda panda. Bang bachonge grooming on the road. Take my losses on the way, but I remain the same. Focus on the ring, like I wish I better things. Untulo where I gotta be. Who's a young color me? Any day, all the day and change it. Everything is what you give me. In the map, like in the look, it's never easy. Stack bed, say less, give my life a free.
Uba benta repu fetu, unangengo minister. Shelly Jendias Bilisa, Zakwabu Buya Bigisa, Anonge Refs.
If you want to rap young minister, you should have stuck with that, my guy. You should have went for that. We actually need more ministers than rappers.
Uyempilisa ucimutwe kukam hayichinuza mutinisa tonga ngotsakala irap game utsayifinisha ndikangeli challenge kandibona pakusimilisa jimbo samaslide speaker studio just spinning bars AI you ain't really if you ain't feeling us sizengenyiwe kosa raps bayayidinga sound whenever we perform guaranteed to tear the building down used to be nobody in this rap shit I'm that nigga now lot of shit is coming all you gotta do is stick around so logo can't drop a bayakuza cause this shit is down OGs and in the city young nigga just give it up used to rock with tough niggas that's where they used to kill the mic now they drop the bed all I gotta do is pick it up but it's all on me and I mean I accept it but I mean, it hurt. Cause I mean, it ain't just about just me. It's not just me. Yeah, I got some that I need to take care. I need to get better.
Okay, my selector, you have esa style sasejozi wena, but you just around Xhosa niggas. Unesa style sasejozi, even with your elements as well as your Aries, name of the song, All on Me, the sample, the voice over. Unesa style so Aries when up there, but you're just surrounded by Xhosa niggas and you're still at the bottom, so it's cool, it's whatever. I'm not mad at it. As for the verses, ayongoma yabo, hence I'm focusing on Mr. Select. Ayongoma yabo, if ever be enye yabo ingoma benzawuthetha ngabo, but ingoma yabo. So I'm going to talk about production and so forth and so forth. You have potential, my brother. That's all I can say right now. You do. Shout out to you one time.